Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be discussing the second Roman from 8.3. Given that tan 48 and tan 23 times tan 42 into tan 67 is 1. We have to prove that. Let's start off. I think you heard the previous sum, or if you didn't, see, these are the formulas you're going to be needing for the entire lesson. I mean, entire 8.3, you definitely have to learn these. Take a screenshot or keep them ready. If you already learned them, very nice. We are going to be using them a lot. Now, tan 48 degrees, I'm going to convert it into cot. So, cot 90 minus 48 times tan. I'm going to convert this also into cot 90 minus 23. This is also something you're going to be needing to solve the sum later. So first, after you write this, we are going to copy them as it is, 42 and tan 67. So they're going to be cot 42 degrees into cot 67 degrees into tan 42 degrees into tan 67 degrees. This is a formula which tells you that cot A into tan A, if they have the same theta values, then the answer would be 1. So I'm gonna use this formula and write them. So it's gonna be cot 42 degrees into cot 42 degrees, tan 42 degrees, and cot 67 degrees into tan 67 degrees. So according to this formula, it will be 1 into 1, that is 1. So the first one's answer is 1. Therefore, LHS equals RHS. Hence proved. I'm going to be doing the second one right now. Cos 38 into cos 52. I'm going to be converting cos 52 into sine into sine 90 minus 52 minus sine 38. I'm going to be converting into cos 90 minus 38 into sine 38. I'm going to be converting this. So see closely, I'm going to be converting sine 52 degrees. Because if I convert that only, these two will match and we can cancel them out. So cos 52 degrees. Now we have cos 38 degrees into sine 38 degrees minus cos minus sine 38 degrees into cos 38 degrees. So as you can see, this matches with this and this matches with this, and the answer would be equal, so we can just cancel them out and the answer is 0. That's it guys. Thank you for watching. Copy down the sum or take a screenshot, whatever you want.